Hey guys, welcome back. ScooterATVSales.com at Scooter City ATV Wholesale Outlet. We have on our lift this morning, it was just brought in, one of our vehicles that was purchased over a month ago. And it's back in for the new vehicle break-in service. Every ATV requires a break-in service at approximately 10 hours. So the customer brought it in and we're going to be doing a full service break-in service that's going through everything on the ATV, every component, body panels, lube, fluids, chain, checking the hydraulic braking system in the rear, cabling in the back. Right now we're loosening up the rear axle. Get access to adjusting the chain. This is the TForce model. TForce is a fully automatic with reverse. This is the shifter handle. On the newer models, Tao has shortened them. They used to extend out much higher, so they are shortened now. Fully automatic with reverse. This is the carburetor system here, and with Tao the choke for cold starts, the brass lever is here on the left side of the carburetor, raising it up for cold starts, lowering it for once it's warmed up. This one has seen some dirt, definitely. It's the front shock system. It's a front and rear rack, 125cc. So we're going to tighten up the control arms, realign the front wheels as well, wheel alignment. Got to readjust these. Again, you got a spark plug replacement, engine oil, chain adjustment, tighten the rear axle, hubs, recheck the hubs, splines, cotter pins. Cotter pins are located here underneath the rear dust cap. So you can see, got the cotter pins here with the castle nut. All right, we'll check out our showroom now. We rearranged the showroom. This is our latest inventory. We're building up our inventory again after our 4th of July sale. We still have the boulders on sale. This is the Tao beginner ATV. Has the remote kill, speed limiter, and lanyard system. $749 still. We still have that extended sale going on. We do have the tree camo 125D. It's the step up from the boulder. Fully automatic with reverse. Really nice. This is a very popular color here with the tree camo. Then we got the pink spider. If we move over to the cheetah, we have this in green, blue, and black. Of course, the Commander, we got the red Commander. This is a 125. This is manufactured by Apollo. It's a real nice ATV. Much more torquier on the lower end than Tao. Front and rear rack. It's called the Apollo Commander. It's a 125, fully automatic as well. And we'll walk over to the Bull 200. The Bull 200 is a full-size adult ATV. We have this on sale. It was $19.95. Now it's $18.95. All our vehicles from our showroom in Reno, Nevada, they are PDI'd, assembled, tested, and tuned, and we throw on a free extended warranty on all our vehicles. So the price does include a free extended warranty. They're professionally set up. Definitely huge value, fantastic savings. The DB27 dirt bike. It's a real nice beginner's dirt bike. $895, still on sale. 125cc. Seat height is about 34 inches. Manual clutch, kick start. This is actually our last one at this price. So come down and check this one out. We got one more left. We sold a lot of these over the past week. Then of course we have the ever popular Jeep Auto. This is kids for 12 on up. $14.95 on sale from $15.95. This is fully automatic with reverse, has an e-brake system, manual choke, rack and pinion steering, has an indicator light, horn, really nice harnesses. This driver's seat does move up about 6 inches. Rear rack, so you can tie down your belongings. This is the rear gas tank on it. Little mini roll bar on the top. The lights on the vehicle do function. So you got the rack lights on the top, and then you have the front headlights. So $14.95 on sale. And of course we have a lot of the kids' helmets, the package deals. These helmets are $79. They do come with the goggles and gloves. It's a package deal with these helmets. These are for kids. We got medium, large, small, and extra large. Come by, pick these up while supplies last. We have these on sale. And then we have for our scooter customers, we do have the very popular Cyber helmet. This every Cyber helmet, this does have the drop-down sun shield that comes down, so it gives you some eye protection. All right, there you go. You can see that. Let's bring that down again. There you are. So it has a drop-down sun shield, and these are $69.95. These are the preferred helmet for most of our customers. They definitely want to have that feel good sense. And then we move on to our scooters. This is the VIP. Right now we have one ATM, our entry-level scooter, left. So we will not have any for another 2 weeks. Tao, which is the manufacturer, they are completely exhausted with inventory on this particular model. Super popular model. This we have one champagne color, $895 plus tax and DMV. Total drive-off fees, you're looking at $1,008 cash price and some change. Total drive-off. We give you a temporary drive-off place card in the back. VIP $995, very popular. Again, 49cc, so you are registering these as a moped in Reno. Now keep in mind that other shops do have 49cc's, but they get registered as motorcycles. We are the only shop in town that you actually can buy a 1.8, 1.9 brake horsepower scooter that gets registered as a moped. We move over to our other styles of mopeds. This is the Blade. We have that in matte black. We have that in green, as well as in popular red. Then we keep walking down, and of course this is definitely our premium size. This is the Titan Evo 50, 49cc. This is by Tao. It's built on a 150 frame. It has the super large wheels, the 120/70/12s on there. So giving you a super smooth ride with the long wheelbase, fully deluxe. I mean, it has everything on it. Deluxe cluster. It has the locking glove box. Of course, you have always storage under the seat. It's the gas tank. It does come, the trunks are included. So right now we have this on sale with the extended warranty programs we have. Free warranty at $12.95. And we do have that, again, in gray black, burgundy right now. And moving over, I did forget to mention on the Blade Thunder 50, it does come with the 120/70/12 wheels as well, alloy wheels, giving this vehicle a super smooth ride, super smooth, and it has LEDs all the way around. We do have some accessories as well. We got uni filters. We do have on-guard locks, universal style mirrors. If you were to break your mirror, we do have mirrors in stock, gloves for $19.95. Come down and check out our store. Definitely a very affordable choice, saving thousands of dollars. Put cash back in your pocket. Come down, get your ride, your street ride, your ATV ride. We save families thousands and thousands of dollars over other brands. We definitely are the affordable store in Reno, Nevada. Been here for 15 years. We do have cables, drive belts, tires. We have a nice selection of tires, most popular sizes, 120, 70, 12, 130, 70, 10, and also the 3.50 by 10 sizes. Full service and repair for all China brands and more. We'll take a step outside. We do have some new arrivals of the Cheetah. They're still in the crate box. This is the way they would arrive. We do ship these out of state, and this is the way they would arrive. If you have a choice, if there is a dealer in town nearby you, it is definitely worth the value of having your dealer, buying it directly from your dealer, all ready to go, turnkey, pick it up. Most of the time, there are extended warranties on them, and it's not worth the hassle and the problems that are included or do happen. And actually, most of the time, when you do order any ATV online. So it's not as turnkey as most only online companies make it out to be. Definitely buy directly from your dealer. I recommend that. We do ship these also. When they do get shipped, they do get shipped with limited warranties, just a Tao warranty, and that is it. And there's a lot involved in from the freight company, making the appointment, picking it up, breaking it out of the crate. So definitely, if you have a choice, there's a dealer in town, go with your dealer. Go with your dealer. You might pay a little extra, but it's turnkey with extended warranty. Here we have some service that just came in. We have a trike by iSpare. This actually was from a customer that purchased this about 4 years ago. So we brought it in for some additional service. This is an iSpare trike, 50cc. As you can see, he has the moped plate on there. So we'll start this later today. So yeah, come down and check us out. 920 Matley Lane, number 6 in Reno. The number here is 775-856-3398. We are open Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 5, Saturday, 11 to 3. We are closed Sunday and Monday. Again, come down. We save families thousands of dollars on their ATV needs, recreational and street rides. See you soon.